What's up, guys? We are here again with Wesley. We're gonna install the turn signal LED. This is 7440 and this is a red bulb. We're gonna test this bulb. This one is nice. It's a JDM A-Star LED. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is the JDM A-Star. I like the packaging, it's kind of nice. And this is the bulb, and this is 7440 turn signals. Okay, and this is a red one because on this and the Camry, this is clear. You only can have yellow or red for the rear taillights. Okay, so this one is red, but also this one will work for the brake light because I think this is 7443 will work for those two. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, for this one you just push, take it out like this, easy, and there's another one right here. That's it. So only 3 clips, 1, 2, 3 clips. Remove it. And the turn signal is this one, like in an angle. This one is yellow, so but we're gonna change it with red. Okay, this is the hyper flashing, guys. So if you want to get rid of the hyper flashing, you need to get resistors. I'm gonna put the link on the description, but if you like it like this, you don't have to do anything. Okay? Okay, guys, those are the 7443 and 7440. Those will work for the brake lights and the turn signals in red for the rear ones. Okay? This is Wesley, this is his Camry. Let me know if you guys like the video. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.